Hello, I'm here with Rebecca. She's the marketing director at Ama Chocolate, and she's getting ready to give us a tour. Can you say hi?
Hi everyone, you're welcome to meet our world or in our magic. Welcome. The mission of Ama is to return to those forests and give life to those forests again. When we plant the cacao, we stimulate to other trees to grow because the cacao trees needs to grow in the shadow of other trees to grow healthy and grow healthy beans too. So we need other tree species and animals and all the taste of flowers and the mix of it mixed with the beans, and this is what gives our beans the high quality that it has too. So we have this process which is tree to bar. So the tree is ours, the farm is ours, the factory is ours. So we don't have anyone who made the process for us. We take care of everything since the beginning. So we watch with more details. We take care of which beans are better and the best for our chocolate. So we are very, very careful with each step of the process. So we call it tree to bar. And we are 100% organic too, so we don't use anything in the forest to grow the cacao trees. It's all organic, and the chocolate are organic too. We are certificated, which is cacao, organic cacao butter, and organic sugar, demerara sugar. And we have two different types. We have the intense, which starts in 60% chocolate. It's 60% chocolate. We have 75%, 85%, and 100%, which is only cacao, only organic cacao. It has no sugar, it has no butter, and you can eat whenever if you have like sugar problems in your organism. And we have the Biomas Brasileiros, which is the same ingredients but with some specialty after, which is made manual. We put in the end of the process. We have the coffee one. We have with sea salt, which makes the chocolate goes up and down with different kind of flavors and sensations. We have the gula mera, which is with coconut sugar in it instead of the regular one. We have the nibiros, which is with little pieces of nibs, which is the cacao beans cut it up and broken. The aroeira, which is pink pepper with pink pepper, but it's very, very soft. And the last one, which is Tel Broma Grandiflorum, which is not made with cacao beans, it's made with cupuaçu beans. The cupuaçu is a cousin of the cacao beans, so it's made in the same way, but with the cupuaçu consumers. And it's a very special one too.
Who here likes chocolate? Okay, say chocolate really loud. Okay, say I love almond chocolate. What do you read? We just got back from Ama Chocolates and we got some treats. 2 chocolate bars of 60% organic coca, and made it right here in Salvador, Brazil, and we're gonna open them up and have some. So here, you open that one.
Okay. And we're gonna share. Whoa.
Yep, we're gonna share.
Can I break this one up?
Yep.
Okay.
We've got nice.
I'm gonna open this one up. I'm gonna share. I'm gonna break it up. It's super good.
So you you can taste the jungle and the birds and the bees and the flowers.
Well, you're supposed to suck it in your mouth, and then you like close your eyes, think about the stuff, and you'll see the forest, the birds, the beautiful flowers. You'll see all that. And it can get your hands really chocolatey. We did have really fun today. Please subscribe to our channel, and we love Brazil, and we love making YouTube videos. Bye.